Hi, my name is Rogene and I work for Missouri Star's customer service. I've been here almost 6 years, the middle of October, and love every minute of it. I wanted to share some of my hobbies. I am an avid quilter and fabric lover, and sometimes that can be detrimental. But I wanted to share some of my hobbies besides quilting. Some fun facts about myself. Maybe not everyone knows. I used to show saddlebred horses about 20 some odd years ago. And my name Rogene is a derivative of my dad's name Roger. So a fun fact, when I answer the phone, "Hi, my name's Rogene. What can I help you with?" They say, "I'm sorry, what did you say your name was?" So it's kind of a funny joke in the beginning. But at any rate, another fun fact, I used to have a booth at the West Bottoms where I would have all kinds of painted furniture. And I did that for 3 years. It was a big job, believe me. But I stopped that, and I had other things there, such as this vintage sheet music wreath that I made. It took 8 hours to make, and I would sell those kinds of things along with the furniture. I quit that when a gentleman from Korea came and he bought my entire booth, everything, and had it shipped back to Korea. So I, bowed right out. I was glad I was over it because I don't have enough room where I was living to paint furniture. So I can that's a couple of fun facts about me. And I wanted to share some of my quilting projects. These are all gifts. I had to call my brother to please bring me something to show. But this is a table runner that I made for he and his wife. And it's the rooster from a panel, and I love it. One of the other items that I made for them is this huge quilt. And a funny thing about this, this took, I think, 5 panels. And I probably am going to turn this the wrong way, but you cut all of the items from the panel, and I'm so short you can't really see much, but maybe you can see some of the Victorian type houses on this. And when I first started it, I didn't have a pattern. All I had was a book, so I just copied what was on the book to make it. It turned out fine, but later got the pattern so I could make a couple more. That's one of these hobbies that I have. The next is to share with you is my love for embroidery. So these were made, if I tell you that I haven't done anything with them, for 55 years ago. And when my 2 boys, who are now 60 and 55, were 18 months and 6 years old. And we lived in the country, and this is what kept me busy other than them. So I now can have them framed, since I have all the equipment working for Missouri Star, that I can do that with the fusible stabilizer behind and then have them framed and give to my great-grandsons. Another one of my hobbies is watercolor painting, and these are just some of what I've done in the past. The bad part of it is I have so much fabric, I feel guilty if I stop quilting and do some of my other hobbies. But I do love it. I love watercolors and drawing, and I've done it for a long time. Another thing that's kind of a fun fact, when I was showing horses, to keep myself busy, I sold t-shirts with my saddlebred horses that I drew on the t-shirts. And that is all I have. And I hope you'll share some of what your favorite things are and go to hashtag MSQC Show and Tell and share what you love.